Very good morning, my dear students. Myself Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Input, Output and Memory Devices. Lecture video part 7. Dear students, in a previous class lecture video, we discussed about what is printer, types of printer, in that impact printer, characteristics of impact printer. In impact printer, we discussed about line printer and dot matrix printer. In a today's lecture video, we are going to discuss non-impact printer and characteristics of non-impact printers. We will see one by one. First, non-impact printer. Dear students, we know that in impact printer there is a striking device against inked ribbon. But here in non-impact printer does not use striking device. The ink and the semi-solid ink is stored in print cartridge and the flow of ink is controlled by the processor. Dear students, the ink and semi-solid ink is stored in the printer cartridge and the flow of ink is controlled by the processor. This is much faster and can print color, different font and size also. But in impact printer, we cannot print color and we cannot print different size and we cannot print different font type. So, in non-impact printer, first point, it does not use striking device. The ink and semi-solid ink is stored in the printer cartridge and the flow of ink is controlled by the processor. This is much faster and it can print color, different fonts and size also. Next, characteristics of non-impact printer. Dear students, they process the ability to change type phase automatically. So, what is meant by ability to change typeface? It can able to print different types of font style, but in impact printer it is not possible. Second point, these printers produce high quality graphics. In impact printer we cannot print graphic images, but in non-impact printer we can produce high quality graphics. These printers usually supports the transparencies, but in impact printer it will not support transparencies, and it is measured with dot per inches, their characters, and the speed is measured by number of pages per minute. Per minute, how many pages can print in the non-impact printer. The size of printing is vary A4, A3, A2, A1 like this. But whereas in the impact printer only one type of paper size. If they are printing A3 are legal, they have to use only one type. Next, types of non-impact printer. Dear students, there are three printers comes under the non-impact printers: thermal printers, laser printers and inkjet printer. We will see one by one. First, thermal printer. Dear students, thermal printers, they are printers that produce image by pulling electrically heated pins against special heat sensitive paper. We know that the meaning of thermal, which means heat. So, the thermal printer produce image by pulling electrically heated pins against a special heat sensitive paper, and they are inexpensive and used widely in a fax machine and calculators. Thermal printers paper tended to darken over time due to exposure to sunlight and heat. See, after getting the printed from the thermal printer, after 1 week or 2 weeks, it will become more darker because of this sunlight and heat. So, the printed matters on the paper fad after 1 or 2 weeks. It is also produce a poor quality print. You can see in the malls and all, in BMTC bus conductor and all, they are using this type of printer only. You can take any BMTC ticket or in the malls and all, they are giving the printed sheet now. You just keep it with you 2 or 3 weeks. After the 3 weeks, if you see the printer, the printed matter will not be appear, or the printed matter will be fad. Why? Because of the sunlight and the heat. Understand? So what is thermal printer? Thermal printers are printers that produce images by pulling electrically heated pins against a special heat sensitive paper, and they are inexpensive and widely used in the fax machine and calculators. Thermal printer papers tend to darken over time due to exposure to sunlight and heat, so that the printed matter on the paper fade after 1 or 2 weeks, and it produces poor quality print. Dear students, I am going to conclude this session by giving summary. First, what is non-impact printer? We know that the impact printer having striking device, but here the non-impact printer does not use striking device. Second point, the ink or semi-solid ink is stored in the printer cartridge, and the flow of ink is controlled by processor. It is much faster and can print color, different fonts and size also, whereas impact printer, it does not print color, and we cannot print different font size, and we cannot print different font types. Next, characteristics. Dear students, they possesses the ability to change typeface automatically, which means during the printing time we can able to print different types of font style. Their printers produce high quality graphics. My dear students, in an impact printer, it is difficulty, or we cannot print quality or graphic images. In impact printer, we cannot print graphic images, but in non-impact printer, we can print high quality graphic images. Next, in non-impact printer, the printers usually supports transparency copies, whereas in impact printer, it does not support. It is measured in dot per inches. Next, the speed is calculated by number of pages per minute, which means ppm, pages per minute, and the size of printing varies A4, A3, A2, A0 like this, but in impact printer it is not like that. There are three types of impact printers: thermal printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. In thermal printer, we know that thermal means heat. The thermal printers are printers that produce images by pulling electrically heated pins against special heat sensitive paper. They are inexpensive and used widely in fax machine and calculators. Thermal printer papers tends to darken over time due to exposure to sunlight and heat. So the printed matter on the paper fade after 1 or 2 weeks. Dear students, you can take mall bills and BMTC bus tickets and all. After receiving the paper, you just take any with your nail and all, you can just do one cross. You can see there is a impress, or you can able to write, because whenever you make a line on the printed paper, it produces a heat. You just to try it once. And where it is using, in majorly they are using in the malls. If you go DMart and all, easily you can able to see these types of printer. In a BMTC also, to issuing ticket, they are using this type of thermal printer only. My dear students, Kindly watch this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, you can message me or you can call me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic. Thank you.